Well, so what do you enjoy about TSC?
Oh my gosh, I love how easy it is to just give you a call and say, hey, I need this, and you guys get it right out to us, and we can do our orders that we have that come in. That might be somebody walks in and says, hey, I need this tomorrow,
Right.
you know, and it gives us, especially being on a military base, you know, with the guys coming in and coming out,
yeah.
and it's nice to be able to say to them, hey, you guys order by 4 o'clock today.
Get it
We
to
can
you
have it
tomorrow.
for you tomorrow.
Absolutely.
Yeah, so that's the absolute favorite. That's my absolute favorite.
Good.
Besides the toll tag.
I was going to say, what are you wearing right now? Your toll tags?
My toll tags! Yeah!
Perfectly designed. Now, what do you like about the toll tags?
They're the way they feel, the way they wash. You know, because a lot of with my girls in our old shirts, you know, when you wash them a lot, you can really see the wear, you know, show up. And with these, you know, they are doing really, really well. I made one for my husband, who is very hard on shirts, and he wears it out now. He wears it to mow the lawn, but
it holds up, huh?
yeah, it holds up, and he washes it, and they wash it, and it holds up very nicely. My employees have been wearing them for a month, and they've been washing them, you know, regular work shirts. So, you know, every time one employee, she says, well, I wash it after every time I wear it. It's dirty. And I'm like, well, good.
Because you were looking to get away from a little more of a basic, right?
Yeah. And it's like, you know, kind of a luxury feel, you know, for an affordable price, you know, because some of those shirts, you know, we would have to charge so much more, but with these, you know, we can charge a very modest amount of money and have a very nice feeling, long-lasting, comfortable, cool in the hot Kentucky weather.
Oh yeah.
Sure.
You need the light.
Definitely.
Yes.
So.
Good. Well, I love that. Thank you for the feedback.
You're welcome.